Hey guys, so today we're going to do something pretty simple and I'm quite excited because my last couple of videos I feel like we've been doing, a lot of like colourful looks, a lot of kind of more out there looks. So today we're taking it back, we're doing something simple and we're going to play with the Colourpop 1111 pressed powder palette, which I'm really excited about. They sent this to me, probably be a couple of months ago now, but here is like the outer packaging. And then we have the actual palette, which is stunning. So pretty. And then this is how it looks inside. So obviously we've got some nice neutral shades to play with today. And yeah, I woke up this morning and I was kind of like scared of colour again. No, I feel like we've been doing a lot. So today I just wanted to, kick back, do something a little bit more like neutral and low-key and chill. And also this shade looks so pretty, so I really want to play with that. So yeah, I'm going to prime my eyes and we're going to get into it. Also, I just wanted to quickly note, like obviously like this palette is like based around like, angel numbers and all that kind of stuff. But how cute are the two little like angel wings? I don't know if you can see them, but they're pressed into the palette down here and they're so cute. And then we also have some little stars pressed in there as well. And also the shade names of this is really cute too. Alright, I've zoomed you in a little bit. I don't know why I keep doing the British accent. I really need to stop. Kay tells me off for it all the time. He's like, your British accent is horrific. Stop doing it. I'm like, okay. Alright, let's prime with the P. Louise base in Rumor 01. Is today the day we finally use it up? Honestly, I feel like we're kind of getting there. No, I feel like I still have at least like another like 2-3 uses in it, possibly. Alright, let's jump in. What should we do? I feel like this like deep brown shade is going to look real nice with this shade, so I think that's going to be the vibe. So first things first, I think the first shade I'm going to take is this one here, and it's called Lucky Babe. I'm just going to put that all over. Oh my god, guess what I forgot to do? Clean my brushes. Goodness, I just don't know when like I'm going to learn, but whatever. You know what they say, it is what it is. I love Colourpop shadows, honestly. It's so crazy, like I remember like very first getting into makeup and getting like my very first Colourpop parcel and like the first stuff that I ordered from Colourpop. I think I had like the My Little Pony palette from them. It was just so nostalgic, honestly. Obviously I feel like on YouTube there's a very big culture of like decluttering and like, always like having such a quick turnover for stuff. Sometimes like, obviously I'm glad they went to homes that were going to actually use them. But sometimes it'd be so cool to, like, I wish that I had some of that old makeup so I could do, like, a nostalgia series. But yeah, my very first Colourpop palette's like, oh, that's such a, like, it makes me feel, like, warm and fuzzy inside when I think about it. And now I get PR from them and it's just kind of like, wow. Like, I feel like sometimes, like, I'm not where I want to be with my YouTube channel. I'm not. Sorry, my friend just sent me something. I'm not where I want to be, like, with my YouTube channel. But I feel like sometimes like it's good to sit back and realize like how far I have actually come. Like I have achieved some really cool things and I hope that we go further. I really do. But if this is the only, like, if this is where it all kind of ends and I don't go any further than this, then I have had some really cool experiences. So I'm going to keep striving for more. But, like, I'd love to have this as my job. I really, really would. Like, that is the ultimate dream, the ultimate goal. But I feel like I need to spend some more time kind of reflecting and realising, like, we've come such a long way. So, yeah. If you've been around since, like, the OG kind of days, let me know because that would probably make my heart really warm. Alright, the next shade that I'm going to take is called Right Path. Ooh, what do you know? I feel like I'm getting all sentimental in this video because, like, this palette's like real inspirational. Alright, this shade here is called Right Path. And is that like a glitter? I feel like they have like a glitter shade in here. Did not even know that. Cool. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take right path, and that's gonna go like, you know the drill. We've done it so many times. Honestly, these shadows are literally butter. So cool, so pretty. Love it. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I need to stop. I know. I need to stop the accent. I can't. I don't know if you guys have if you've seen like How I Met Your Mother, and there's that episode where they're like get like real into interventions, and then they do the intervention for Lily because she can't stop doing her like British accent. I feel like that's me at this point. I need a British accent. But the worst thing is like Cade's there and he's like, no, like stop it, like you're so bad at it. But my mum and my sister, we all do it to each other, so I feel like we all kind of egg each other on, so blame them. It's not just me. Alright, let's blend that. I'm just like, oh, my eyes look so buttery right now. It's so satisfying. I feel like this is going to be a little short, sweet video, but I feel like that's just what we need. You know, it's a Sunday. We're chilling out. We're talking. We're living. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm a little bit tired, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, now we're gonna go into the dark shade called Empowered, and we're gonna put that in the outer corner. I know it's simple, but I feel like this kind of look is just so effective. You know, just like the creamy, rich browns and nice shimmer. Like, I feel like you just really can't go wrong with that. Like, that's such a pretty staple look. Alright. And now we're just going to put the shimmer on, and yeah, I think I'm going to go for the shade called Balanced. It just looks absolutely stunning. I'm hoping we'll be able to see it like over the dark shades, but it should be okay. I don't want to do a cut crease because I don't want to get rid of any of like the nice, warm, yummy kind of browns. Hopefully we'll be able to see it. Yeah, that's honestly real pretty. It's not like the most super blinding shimmer, but it's effective. And it's pretty. I just love this kind of eye look. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Oh, we'll go back into Empowered. Just do a tiny little blend. We're gonna take the very, there's like this shade here. It's called Total Angel, and it's like insanely like white shimmer, and we're gonna take that and put that on the inner corner just a little bit. Look at it. Oh my god, blinding. Cool, so cute, love it. All right, that is how the eyes are looking. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna finish my base, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I feel like it's really cute. It's obviously a super simple eye, but that's what I just wanted for today. I wanted something easy and nice and just simple and pretty, and I feel like we really achieved that. I really like this palette. I think it's actually so pretty. We have some really nice shades in there. I'm super excited to try that glitter out in a different video. And yeah, I feel like we can, you can get some real different vibes in this. You can do your kind of light shade, you can do deeper. So yeah, I actually really like it. I'm pretty impressed. I do love a good Colourpop shadow though, so I kind of already knew that I was gonna like the shadow formula. But yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.